Okay, today we're discussing about the what is Python and why we need Python. What is the actually advantage of the Python? Python actually is a programming language which is mainly do the AI related programming. AI means artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence actually required Python programming. Why Python programming? Because Python support lots of libraries. These libraries are actually supported by the AI and machine learning. So that's why Python is the only language or most. Then there is another language is there. Our language also support AI, but Python actually mostly popular or familiar language, which is actually learn every professionals or every students to work with the machine learning programming. Like in machine learning programming, there's a lots of algorithms actually there. This algorithm actually run by the Python because these algorithms libraries, those libraries actually supported the some functions, calls, some methods, which are actually mentioned in the Python library. Like if you want work on the Scikit-learn actually the Python library. This Python library is supported the machine learning algorithm. That's why Python is the most popular programming language for AI and machine learning. So in the real world, now the world is totally is the artificial intelligence world. It will be the say as we are actually the generative AI people. Means we are actually called or generative AI people. That's why lots of tools are actually come like ChatGPT, you could say Microsoft Copilot, and thereafter Google Gemini. So these are all are the tools which is the AI based tools, means chatbot. These chatbot are previously not is come, but nowadays actually chatbot is come, and this chatbot actually gives us lots of facility and usability. In previously, we actually find some content from the Google, and we have to click lots of link. Actually, Google provide lots of website link, but if you use the ChatGPT or Google Gemini or Microsoft Copilot, they are actually give you the lots of content in one place if you just write the proper search query. Before that, it is not possible. Before that, Google actually provides the lots of link, and these links are actually uh, we have to spend lots of time to find content within the link. But these AI features means ChatGPT, Google Gemini, they gives us the usability and flexibility to search a content. To just proper write the search query. This all of the things actually done in background, all of the chatbot background, there is the programming languages there. So most of the cases we found the Python is the only suitable programming language actually the developer actually used for working on the artificial intelligence related or machine learning related work. Okay. So today we just do some basic programming of the Python. How to do a Python program. So I share a screen. This screen actually the share of the Visual Studio. So Visual Studio Code is the most popular software where you can develop the Python code. In Visual Studio software, code software, you can develop any other code also, Java also. You can do the C also, C++ also. So So Python actually work on the visuals. Most of the professionals, or if we go for the most of the standard organization, they actually use the Visual Studio for using the Python tool. So now we first create a file for starting Python. First create a file. Thereafter we save the file. You can save the file using the Ctrl S. Okay. Control S, and you can put it on some folder in your local disk. Name the file name is hello, or you can put it in small letter hello.py. The extension of the Python programming is UI. In Java, if you save, then extension is the .java. If you save the C file, then it will be .c. And if you save the C++ file, then it is .cpp. So these are the extension. Extension means how to define a file. Like if you save the Word file, then it would save is .doc. If you save the Excel file, it would be .xls. If you save the PowerPoint file, it is the .py. That's why Python actually save with .py. Actually, developer when develop this programming language, they actually find the suitable keyword or suitable thing. That's why user or learner can understand easily. Otherwise, if developer develop this program and this programming is not is market compatible, market actually not accept this programming language because of some tough or not remembered some type of keyword. So this programming language is not popular in the market. So Python popular in the market for the easy keyword they actually use. Everybody actually understand the Python programming. That's why Python is so popular, and mostly it is used for the machine learning and artificial intelligence and also deep learning, that is neural network. This programming also supported by the Python. So now the file name is hello.py. So when you do this programming, I have to write the Python program. If you write the Python program, first you write print. If you want to print your name. So here I print my name. So when you write a Python, there is no semicolon you can put into the end of the statement, because Python does not require any semicolon or any dot. Anything. We just write down only the print. Print actually print the what you want to print. And within double inverted, you can write anything. Here I write the hello Python. You want any other things like hello Moto or hello or you can write hello Kolkata. Whatever you can write within the double inverted. Within double inverted, you can write anything. There is no logic is there. But after inverted, there is some logic is there. So here we can put the hello Python, and after that you cannot put any statement. Now we want to run the program. So after writing the program, you have to press the Control S. Control S is if when you done the programming, then when you write any statement, any one statement, after that you can save it. Save is very important. If you not save, then your program is not working. So when you write any line of programming, after that you can save this. So here I write the Control S to save the program. Now here I have to change the drive option, because my Python actually stored in the local drive G. So I have to copy this drive, Control C, and go for the Python folder. This is the total path. So I have to copy this path and go for the zoom. And I have to write G folder. This is my path, and I have to write CD my path. So here path is coming. Now I have to run the program. So run is when you run the Python program, Python is then the program. Program name is hello dot. Now enter. See here you see hello. So when you execute your name, if you want to execute your name, you can do. In this way, you can print your name using Python. This is the basic or introduction to Python programming. This is a basic Python programming. After the next class, we have to do some more application. Today is we done how to print your name or how to print anything using the. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for today. Okay. Thank you.